This is Group 33. The members are Yawer, Ben, Sas, Ade, Nahal, and Lucas. Business plan and model. Rotiwala is an online food delivery company that transports food from your kitchen to you. The idea behind the service is to allow customers to eat their home-cooked food at work. When customers make an order through our website or app, it goes through the warehouse office where their order is received by the employee either by phone call or by text message. Rotiwala currently only operates in Islamabad and hopes to soon expand into the whole of Pakistan. This is the business canvas which illustrates our business model. We will be highlighting the importance of value proposition, customer segments, and customer relationships. Value proposition. Rotiwala aims to solve a huge problem in Pakistan which no other company has addressed in the country. Heavy traffic makes it nearly impossible for workers to go from A to B in time for their lunch break. Also, potential cultural restrictions mean that our service can be customizable to customer preferences to tailor for their specific requirements. The newness, performance, and customizability of our service will create value for our customers to satisfy their needs. Customer segments. According to the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics, 74% of the labor workforce is engaged in the informal sector, of which domestic workers are the biggest chunk. Rotiwala targets both male and females from the age of 25 to 40, for the reason being that individuals of that working class are more likely to be exposed to technology and are always up to date with it. Customer relationships. Rotiwala intends to put customers at the forefront of the business by implementing and establishing systems that respond to our customers' feedback. This two-way relationship encourages our customers to voice any concerns that they might have through reviews, social media, and employees, and particularly the food collectors. In addition, any immediate and urgent requests, our customers can directly contact our company through live chat option on our applications or website. Strategic IT advantages. Advancements in technology are rapid and clearly seen in today's business environment, as the amount of data being stored doubles each year. As seen in Moore's law, computing power doubles every 18 months and significantly decreases in price. This results in more performance for a decreasing amount of cost. A potential advantage that Rotiwala can gain includes the benefits of cloud computing to their operations. Through storing data in a network online, it enables all of the employees to access this information wherever they are and at any time. This has great strategic value as evident by Metcalfe's law, which states that the value of a business network to its users grows exponentially as more users are added to the network. Starting at the corporate systems, which include the hardware, operating systems, and software used by the company, security issues arise as this can be a prime target for attacks. The communication lines that Rotiwala use can also become hacked through line tapping, which could result in theft and fraud. Therefore, it is of paramount importance for Rotiwala to invest in a security software and create a separate network through which payments are processed. Rotiwala implements various technological systems which aid its day-to-day functions and operates a client-server architecture to communicate with customers. By using the app, customers are able to receive real-time information on the location of their food, resulting in a better customer service. The tracking of the employees when delivering food allows employees at the headquarters to see what deliveries are being completed and allows them to assign free employees to new tasks. Greater efficiency enables Rotiwala to gain competitive advantage through operating with lower costs and enhanced differentiation. The app removes the paper trail and saves the customer's information online so that it can be recalled at any point in time, thus automating this process within the company. This makes it easier to recall any necessary information from previous orders, useful for solving customer issues and creating reports. Issues regarding hardware and software. Potential risk to management is maintaining levels of skill in their employee to use their resources as new employees will come and go. This includes the need to recruit staff with some standard of knowledge on the resource, as well as monitoring and supporting staff and updating technology where necessary. As Rotiwala develops in Islamabad, there could potentially become a level of competition in the future. Therefore, communication between employees and management lies important. Organization. Hacking in Pakistan is increasing, thus targeting smaller businesses like Rotiwala. Trade secrets, confidential customer, and HR records are on their computers and databases, and these could fall into the wrong hands and cause damage to the business. Levels of fraud and corruption. According to the Corruption Perception Index, it's visible that Pakistan ranks 117th. Technology. One of the main ones being IT failure. Located in Islamabad, Rotiwala will have sufficient access to servers, and however there is a risk of power cuts. The country is well known for regular power cuts, however though they're less frequent in Islamabad, resulting in power loss and disruption to business operations. Rotiwala has apps that must always run as they provide client information and locations. as well as Rotiwala will suffer from completing administrative tasks, loss of data, and loss of important information. Moving on to the entity relationship diagram. This is the entity relationship diagram of Rotiwala. As you can see, it starts with a customer making an order, which is a one-to-many relationship because the customer can order as many times as they want, but an order belongs to one customer. Additionally, the customer will make payments to Rotiwala, which could be weekly, monthly, or yearly. Therefore, one customer can have many payments, but one payment belongs to one specific customer. Moreover, one home food supplier can have many orders, and one home supplier can prepare many lunch boxes, which are then collected by employees, and one employee can collect many lunch boxes. Furthermore, the employee will take the collection batch back to the logistics center, which is a one-to-many relationship because they can collect many batches. Then the logistics center will receive many batches, but one batch can only be transported to the only logistics center. From logistic deliveries will be rearranged and sent out for deliveries, so one logistics center will send out many deliveries, so one-to-many relationship is created. To conclude, one type of transportation can carry many deliveries, so one-to-many relationships is made. SQL query. Structured query language is a widely used computer language which, unlike many computer languages, is not difficult to read or understand due to the syntax used within SQL closely resembling English. It is used with programs like Microsoft Access and works with sets of facts and the relationship between them. The use of syntax where can prove useful when looking for a specific item within a field. This combined with the syntax and enables you to find data which is present within two fields. Take the data table transportation type. Using the where and function, it tells the user which trains depart from Islamabad. Below is an image of the table transportation type. From the use of SQL syntax, where and, we are able to see the trains which fit the said description and now know the information regarding this train, including departure and arrival time. If communication is lost in the business and one of our employees does not know the time of their train or their destination, SQL is able to find this information quickly, meaning reduced downtime in regards to employee productivity. Deleting a record is another SQL query which has its benefits. For example, if you wish to delete the records of old employees or transportation methods, the delete function enables you to do so without ruining the relationships between tables, which causes issues. Here's the original transportation type table. This is the SQL code used. The table below shows the new table with one less row as transport ID number 90 was removed. The ability to remove data freely from the database enables Rotiwala to keep up to date with its current employees and customers. Moving on to the dashboard, the graphs illustrate the overall company performance of Rotiwala, considering financial figures, customer engagement in relation to customer reach, and the different sectors of investment, gender ratio, ethnicity ratio, and different membership purchases. Engagement levels are at a steady trend from 2016 to 2018, after which exponential growth is seen up to the year 2020. Engagement increased by 58% from 2016 to 2018. Sectors of investment show that salary is Rotiwala's main investment, accounting for around 72% of all investments. The second largest investment for Rotiwala are the train passes. In the yearly financial figures graphs, a clear upwards trend is seen between the net profits, total cost, gross profits, and amount of orders. Between the years 2016 to 2018, net profit increased by 208%, gross profit increased by 221%, the amount of orders increased by 221%, and the total cost increased by 283%. In the employee ethnicity in 2020 graph, the nationality of Rotiwala's employees is analyzed. It is seen that the majority of employees, 48.48%, are Pakistani nationals, with 51.52% being foreigners. This is expected as the company is based in Pakistan. In the membership types in 2020 graph, the different membership types of customers in the year 2020 are examined. As seen in the graph, the majority of customers have a yearly subscription, accounting for 63%, after which a monthly subscription is most common, with 24% of the customer base falling into that category. This tile focuses on two graphs and shows that how the interactive feature will work when pressed. The interactive feature in this case contains different years, but when 2017 is pressed, both graphs show figures for the same year, making it easier to view. However, to return, the refresh button must be pressed on the interactive element located on the top right. This will take the user back to the generic view showing all years in the graph. Thank you for listening.